A super yummy and nutritious gourmet breakfast sandwich that you can fix in under 10 minutes with a total ingredient cost of about $1. That's today's Thrift by Design. What you're gonna need, your ingredients are 2 eggs, and this is per person, 2 eggs, butter, bread, I like sourdough, some romaine lettuce or iceberg, whatever you prefer. I like romaine for the look of it. Some cheese, and here I have some Swiss cheese, salt and pepper. That's it. That's all you need. Go ahead and heat your pan on low. We're gonna melt our butter in this. You want to melt your butter at low heat. You don't want to be cooking the butter while you're trying to melt it. So I placed the eggs into the pan. I'm going to add a little salt and a tiny bit of pepper. You can do this to taste. I like a little more pepper. And then just give that a couple minutes. Cook your eggs to whatever consistency you like your yolks to be. I like them just a little bit more on the cooked side. I don't like them runny, but I also don't like them hard. So just keep your eye on them. That's why I like these clear lids, because I can see what I'm cooking and I can decide when to take it off the heat and let all that fun stuff. Go ahead and add your cheese. And let that continue to cook until it's melted. So while the cheese is melting, I'm going to go ahead and toast my bread. I'm not going to do it in the toaster. I'm actually going to do it on the stovetop grill. I kind of like the flavoring that the stovetop grill gives to the toast, and the way that it cooks it feels and it tastes a lot better to me. I can't quite describe it, but it's a lot better. It's not as dry. It stays moist on the inside, but it gives you a nice crust on the outside. So let's give that a few minutes to do that. So it's been about 3 minutes, and I'm ready to flip my toast so that I can toast the other side. You can hear the nice crisp that this stuff is getting on the grill pan, and it's something that you just can't get or mimic on the toaster oven. So we'll give this another 3 minutes on the new side, and then we'll take them off the grill. Alright, so we're back and everything is done. I've turned off the heat to everything. The cheese has beautifully melted. I've grabbed myself some toast off of the griddle pan, and I've put on a layer of mayo on it. And on top of that, I'm going to put the first bed of lettuce. And you can use as much of this as you want. I just like one leaf, that's plenty for me. Split your eggs so that you have 2 equal portions, and then go ahead and grab one of them, and you're able to just lay it on top of your lettuce like that. And I actually like a little bit of spice with this. You can be done with this, or you can also, if you have tomatoes, you can add tomatoes, but I have jalapenos and I love jalapenos, so I'm gonna add a couple onto the top of this, just like so. Just a little, doesn't have to be too spicy, just to give it a little kick. And then that's it. We are done with our first one. All there is to do now is to repeat the process onto your second half of the sandwich. From start to finish, in under 10 minutes, a delicious and nutritious breakfast sandwich. I hope you'll join me again for the next episode of Thrift by Design. Enjoy!